Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here you can just simply now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. And after this you can just simply scroll down and here you can see you will find the option that is app appearance. Tap on app appearance and here you can just simply tap on always dark option, and this is the way you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.